Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. No? So, you know who I am? I'm your teacher for this coding classes. You know? Don't you know? Okay. So, onwards today, I'm going to teach you in this coding classes. Great. So, now starting our lecture, let all the students come first, then we will start. Okay? Let me give you my short introduction. You know my name? You want to know? My name is Shambhavi Pandey. What is my name? Shambhavi Pandey. I'm going to teach you what? I'm going to take your coding classes. Okay? So now, let's start. Do you know what we are going to study today? What is the topic? Are you people excited? No? Yes, great. So, sounds good. Starting with the topic, do you know what is the topic? Today we are going to study about Scratch. What? Scratch. Do you know what is Scratch? No? Do you want to know what is Scratch? Okay. I think you must have played the word angry hungry bird game. You have played? I think you must have seen the stories in the magazines. You must have seen your cartoons especially. What happens there? There are a lot of animations, isn't it? Lots of characters we have there. So, do you want to learn about this? Do you want to make your own characters? Okay, now without wasting our time, let's start it. Okay, so is this visible to everyone? Okay, great. Now, starting, this is called what? This is called your Scratch platform. This whole platform is called what? Scratch platform. This is the platform where you could animate your own stories, you could make your games, also you can make your cartoon characters over here. Okay? So, now let me tell you some basics about this platform. Okay? What is this particular area called? Do you people know? This particular area of the Scratch platform is known as block palettes. What is this called? This is called block palettes. And these simple blue highlighted things are what? These are the blocks. Blocks means these are the codes which you could use to instruct this particular thing. I will let you explain this later, but till now what you will remember, this is your blocking area or your coding area. Got it? Now, moving to the next one, I think you must have gone to your school. Also, you people must have a very nice background. Along with that, you people must have a stage. Great. I think you all have stage now? Yes. So, what is this particular area called? Can you guess? Correct. This particular area is called what? This is called stage. Just like you people have stage in your school where you could perform your morning assemblies, this is the stage where your character will perform the things which you will instruct him to do. Got it? Okay, let me explain it again. Just like you people have stage in your school platform, the same way, this is the stage. Got it? This is the stage. This is the stage, right? Now, moving to the next one. What is this called? Is this parrot? No. First of all, what is this? First of all, this is the sprite of your stage. Just like you people perform as different characters on your stage, the same way this is called sprite. what you could say him. This is a sprite. Sprite is referred as characters. You know characters? Okay, great. So this is your character over here. What do we call character in Scratch? We call it sprite. Now moving to this particular area, what is this? This is your scripting area. You know what is scripting? Whenever you used to write something, that is called script. Stories are called script. Just suppose when you have to make your stories, so where you would write it, or where you could instruct this parrot to fly or to walk. Where? This is the area where, using these codes, these simple blocks, you could make this bird fly or walk or anything. Got it? So this is particular. What is this? This is area is called scripting area. Alright? Now moving ahead. I think you people must have gone all these concepts. Let me explain you again. This is your blocking palettes where you could use these blocks as instructions. This is your scripting area. This is the stage where your character or your sprite will perform, and this is your sprite. Now tell me fast, what is the name of the sprite here? Great. This is a parrot. As we can see, this is a parrot. Okay, I think you all are excited to start your own story, to make your own story. Let's start it. Let's do it. You know all the concept? Now, what will be our first step? Choose a background. What do we choose? Choose a background. So is this background relevant for this? No. Let's take a background for this. Nice background. So for background, what will you use? What will you use? You will go to the right of your PC and just click on these. Choose a backdrop. Click over here, and from here you could choose any backdrops. I think this would be nice. No? Is this looking nice? Is this looking nice? Great. So here you could choose your backdrop. Now what will you do? You want this parrot to move? Yes. Let's start this. Let's use this block over here. This, when you use this, when you click on this, see, your character, your sprite is moving 10 steps. Okay? Now, ask him to come back. You got this? Now, you use this turn turn 15 degrees. What does this mean? What does this 10 means? This 10 means that this will move 10 steps ahead. Okay? And what is this 15 degree? That after taking the 10 step, it will turn to 15 degrees. Okay? Now you all want, now this know how to turn and how to move. See see how this is performing. Isn't it look great? Okay. Now you want this to fly. You want him to fly. Now for fly, we have to select this costumes. Okay? We have to select this block costumes, and by clicking firstly on A and then on B. A, B, A, B, A, B. I think you can see that your character is flying over here. Is it flying? Is it flying? Got it? Or different things you could make here. You could use sounds also. See, isn't it right? Isn't it interesting? So now winding up the class, what you people learn from this particular area? This is your blocking area, this is the stage, and this is your scripting area. I think you people must have, what is the scripting area? Here, this is your scripting area. Which block is used to your sprite to move forward? You have used this block. Okay, move 10 steps is your blocks which you have used to move this particular parrot forward. Okay, Which block is used to change the costume of your sprite? Which block? This block. Okay? So I think that was a great class. Bye bye. Practical. Do practice with this. And bye.